Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix PrizePicks login not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is check your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi connection is connected to the weaker Wi-Fi connection, then that might be also the reason which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So that simply switching over the Wi-Fi will fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store, and then on the search bar simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on general, and once you're inside your general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the PrizePicks app. Let me just assume this Instagram app is my PrizePicks app, and then tap on it, and on tapping you'll find these two options, that is upload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by simply clearing all the bugs and glitches which might be causing the issues that you're facing. And once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.